are having breakfast with orangutans. Orangutans, my brothers. Yay. Okay, so good morning vlog. Today is day 3 in Bali, and today I'm in the animal zoo, and I'm gonna start the day by having some breakfast with orangutans. Yes, I said orangutans and some other animals too. So that's gonna be very exciting. I'm very looking forward to that. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog. And yeah, that's it. Let's go see the orangutans. Whoop!
Se vetää sua lähemmäs. Älä vaan nyt anna sitä kannesta.
He tried to vlog. He knows that vlog like. Yeah.
Se karkaa. Hei, se karkaa. Se karkaa.
Kato toi yksi tekee Oliverin tukkaa.
Especially at 5 minutes ago, the rundown will come back to the house. What if they take a rest? Not the breakfast. The true
Meitä pyöritettäväksi. Vaihdetaan pyöritettävää. No niin, next one. Rupee pyörittää.
There's some parrots. This is Maverick the parrot. Which one of them are you? 2, 1. There you So hope you hanged on with the weird start of the vlog, but now I'm gonna take some cinematic shots of the animals that are in here, and I hope it will turn out cinematic, because you never know. So I think it's enough with the cinematics. Now we're going to the petting zoo to pet some small animals. It's gonna be awesome.
Voi että sulla on söpöjä pieniä isoja. Kauan mä filmaan vielä.
Ending the vlog in the next day. So today I'm filming vlog 4, but I'm also ending vlog 3. So this is the end of vlog 3, and I'll say goodbye to you, and I'll tell you that we went to another hotel or a villa because we wanted to move to another place. And now I'm gonna show you a sneak peek. I'm gonna do the full house tour on vlog 4. You should go check that out tomorrow. And yeah, I'm gonna show you a sneak peek.
Yes, you bitch.